Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drill brushes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the JUSONEY 23-piece brush attachment set. The best product we tested is, not coincidentally, the largest set we tested. The JUSONEY 23-piece set is a versatile, diverse collection of brushes and drill-mounted scrubbing tools that work well for a wide variety of tasks around the home and the garage. There are brushes of different shapes, sizes, and textures for light and heavy tasks. There are also fibrous and sponge scrubber attachments that affix with hook and loop, Velcro, to a dedicated scrubbing round. If you can't scrub it with a large set like the JUSONEY, you can't scrub it at all. Our main complaint about the JUSONEY set is that it lacks medium stiffness brushes. The orange brushes included are most similar to red brushes from other manufacturers. Additionally, the brushes are at either end of the stiffness spectrum but omit medium options of any color. Moving on at number 4, we have the Drill Brush 360 Attachment Kit. The tested blue version of the Drill Brush 360 Attachment Kit is optimized and pitched for use on your water sports equipment. The texture is medium in stiffness, which works well on plastic and fiberglass. The blue color is intuitively associated with water and water sports. The brush texture itself is indiscernible from the medium stiffness of other colors from other manufacturers. We couldn't discern a difference, and manufacturers do not claim a difference between medium stiffness brushes of different colors. Colors are differentiated to avoid potential cross-contamination from one use to the next. This is the smallest set of brushes we tested. There are just 3 different shapes, and the Drill Brush 360 set does not include an extension, quick change function. Other sets and manufacturers include a standard, long 1/4 inch drive bit extender. At number 3, we have the Ultimate Drill Brush. This 6-piece set from the Ultimate Drill Brush is versatile, compact, and affordable. Each component is robust and of high quality. The 6 pieces represent different textures, stiffnesses and different shapes. For most casual household use, you will find some version of what you need in this set. That it's all available at a reasonable price only sweetens the deal. This is a solid, basic set of drill brushes. For professional level or extended use, this set is limited. Because each piece varies in both shape and texture, you may not find the shape you want in the texture you need. Further, Drill Brush Inc. doesn't include an extension or fast change adapter with this set. Most of the other high-scoring products have this in the package, and it gives you more options for changing shapes mid-task and getting into hard-to-reach corners. Any standard 1/4 inch drive bit extender will do the job, but we wish it were included with this set. At number 2, we have the Hiware 4-piece drill brush. The Hiware 4-piece drill brush is good for even more than the model name suggests. Many, of course, will purchase it for automotive use. However, the brush textures are also suitable for carpets and upholstery inside your house. These white brushes are the softest available on the market. The 3 different shapes give you enough options to reach whatever corners you need to reach. We had great luck scrubbing stains from the carpet and buffing shinier surfaces with no damage to either. The Hiware 4-piece is not the most versatile option we tested. Other colors are stiffer and, therefore, more suitable for challenging tasks on robust surfaces. If you want a drill brush set for all-around home and shop use, go with a bigger and more versatile kit. For extensive scrubbing of sensitive and more delicate materials, the Hiware Car Kit is our top recommendation. And finally at number 1, we have the Drill Brush 4-piece Nylon Power Brush Tile Cleaner. The Drill Brush 4-piece Nylon Power Brush Tile Cleaner Kit is just like it sounds. 4 different shaped brushes attached to your power drill for cleaning surfaces in your bathroom. The brushes in this kit have bristles of medium stiffness. This texture is tuned for various surfaces, including those in your kitchen, bathroom, and on many water sports equipment. Drill-mounted brush manufacturers have decided, unanimously, as best we can tell, on a color convention to differentiate medium bristled brushes. Basically, they each make medium stiffness brushes in the same 3 different colors. The different colors allow you to have multiple medium stiffness brushes for different tasks without risking cross-contamination. Yellow is pitched as suitable for bathroom tasks. Yellow isn't fundamentally different from the other medium stiffness colors.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.